Have you ever wondered what a simple spoonful of honey could do for your health? You might be surprised to learn that this natural sweetener offers more than just a touch of sweetness. From boosting your immune system to supporting digestion and even promoting heart health, honey has been used for centuries as a powerful remedy. In today's video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of incorporating honey into your daily diet. Stay tuned as we explore how this golden gift of nature can transform your vitality and overall health. Interestingly, honey's composition and consistency shares similarities with, believe it or not, human blood, containing essential nutrients that can support various bodily functions. This unique property enhances its potential as a healing agent, promoting overall health and vitality. As we delve into the fascinating world of honey consumption, we will explore its impact on both physical and mental health. From boosting immunity to improving mood, honey offers a myriad of benefits that can enhance our quality of life. Join us on this engaging journey as we uncover the science behind honey's therapeutic properties and discover how incorporating this golden elixir into our daily routines can lead to a healthier, more vibrant existence. The Jenu Karuba tribe in Karnataka, India, has a traditional diet that prominently features honey, consumed daily as a vital energy source. This natural sweetener not only enhances the flavor of their meals, but also provides a quick boost of energy, essential for their active lifestyle. The tribe engages in various physical activities, including farming and gathering, which require stamina and endurance. Their diet, rich in honey, complements these activities, ensuring they maintain optimal energy levels throughout the day. The simplicity of their honey-based diet is striking. It often consists of locally sourced ingredients, with honey serving as a primary sweetener and nutritional enhancer. This straightforward approach to nutrition is effective, allowing the Kurubas to thrive in their environment while promoting overall health. By relying on the natural benefits of honey, they exemplify how traditional diets can be both uncomplicated and powerful in supporting an active lifestyle and sustaining energy levels. Daily honey consumption offers a multitude of health benefits that contribute to both psychological stability and physical vitality. Rich in antioxidants and natural sugars, honey provides a quick energy boost, enhancing mood and cognitive function. This makes it particularly beneficial for children, as it supports their intellectual development by improving concentration and memory. Additionally, honey's soothing properties can help alleviate specific health issues, such as excess mucus, making it a natural remedy for respiratory conditions. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities further aid in reducing symptoms of colds and allergies. Regular intake of honey can also promote better digestion and strengthen the immune system, ensuring overall health. By incorporating honey into their daily diets, individuals can experience enhanced energy levels and improved mental clarity, while children can benefit from its positive effects on their growth and learning. Thus, honey serves as a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle, promoting both physical and mental health. To maximize the health benefits of honey, it's essential to understand the best ways to consume it. Raw honey retains its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and nutrients, offering the most potent health effects. When mixed with warm water, honey can aid digestion and soothe sore throats, but excessive heat can destroy its beneficial properties. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid cooking honey, as this can lead to the formation of harmful compounds and diminish its nutritional value. To integrate honey into your daily routine, consider adding it to smoothies, drizzling it over oatmeal, or using it as a natural sweetener in herbal teas. For a refreshing boost, mix honey with cold water and a splash of lemon juice. This not only enhances hydration, but also provides a delicious way to enjoy its benefits. By following these guidelines, you can effectively harness the power of honey to improve your overall health and well-being. Honey plays a significant role in maintaining healthy blood chemistry, particularly by enhancing red blood cell content and oxygen levels in the body. Its rich composition of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants supports the production of red blood cells, which increases energy levels which are crucial for transporting oxygen throughout the body. This improved oxygenation can lead to increased energy levels, making honey an excellent natural fuel source. For individuals engaging in physical activities, honey serves as a quick energy booster, providing the stamina needed for optimal performance. The natural sugars in honey are easily digestible, offering a rapid source of energy, without the crash associated with processed sugars. Additionally, honey's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in recovery after strenuous exercise, promoting overall vitality. By incorporating honey into their diets, those who lead active lifestyles can enhance their endurance and maintain balanced blood chemistry, ultimately supporting their physical and mental health. Turmeric root and neem tree oil are two powerful companions to honey, each offering unique health benefits that enhance its effects. Turmeric, known for its active compound curcumin, plays a vital role in purifying the blood and boosting energy levels. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help detoxify the body, promoting overall vitality and well-being. When combined with honey, turmeric creates a potent blend that not only enhances energy but also supports immune function. Neem, on the other hand, is celebrated for its cleansing properties. When mixed with honey, it helps detoxify the body, purifying the blood and improving skin health. This combination can effectively combat various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. Together, honey, turmeric, and neem create a synergistic effect that promotes overall health, enhancing the body's natural defenses and vitality. Incorporating these ingredients into your daily routine can lead to improved wellness and a stronger immune system, making them a valuable addition to any health regimen. Incorporating honey into your daily diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. One simple method is to add a tablespoon of honey to your morning tea or herbal infusions, enhancing flavor while reaping its health benefits. You can also drizzle honey over oatmeal or yogurt for a nutritious breakfast, or blend it into smoothies for a natural sweetener. For a quick energy boost, mix honey with warm water and a squeeze of lemon, creating a refreshing drink that supports hydration and digestion. Encourage yourself to experiment with different recipes, such as using honey in salad dressings or marinades, to discover new flavors and health effects. Observing how your body responds to regular honey consumption can help you appreciate its benefits. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating honey into your daily routine will yield the best results over time, promoting overall wellness and vitality. Enjoy the journey of exploring this natural sweetener. In summary, this video highlighted the numerous health benefits of honey and its vital role in a balanced diet. We discussed how honey can enhance energy levels, support immune function, and improve your overall health, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Its unique properties, especially when combined with ingredients like turmeric and neem, further amplify its positive effects on health. We encourage you to consider incorporating honey into your meals, whether in teas, smoothies, or as a natural sweetener in various recipes. By doing so, you can experience its remarkable benefits firsthand. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from learning about honey's incredible properties. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye for now.